Taking a look at my schematics, I have 2 bottom gussets which fit on the inside at the bottom. My parts list identifies these pieces as 3/4 inches thick, 2 1/4 inches wide, and 11 1/4 inches long. Taking a look at my board, I have one bad corner, so I want to try to get both of my gusset pieces from the other side away from this corner. Now, as this board sits, I have a rough edge and I have a straight lined edge. Because my straight lined edge is on the side with that bad corner, I'm going to go ahead and joiner the rough edge a few times to clean that up. I now have one good, clean, jointed edge and one straight lined edge. My finished width is 2 1/4 inches. However, I'm going to add an additional 1/16 of an inch so I can joint that off after it's been table sawed. And with my good, clean, jointed edge up against the fence, I can make my first cut. With my boards, I have one good, clean, jointed edge. I have 2 mill-marked edges from the table saw blade, and I have one straight-lined edge from the lumber mill. So I'm going to clean up both of my mill-marked edges on the joiner. And that will leave me with 3 good, clean, jointed edges and one straight-lined edge. I have one piece that measures a finished width of 2 1/4 inches, and I have my additional material to get my other bottom gusset piece out of. And another pass on the table saw at 2 5/16 will yield me that oversized width, which will then give me my 3 good, clean, jointed edges and one mill-marked edge. That mill-marked edge, I'm then going to run through the joiner. And that gives me my 2 bottom gussets with a finished width of 2 1/4 inches. These are cut oversized at 11 1/2, and they are still at about an inch thick.